In this video, I will show you how to take reading on density meter. So let's start. What you have to do, this is weighing pan. You have to keep on measuring sensor on main instrument. This is main instrument. Then this is 2 pan stand. You have to keep like this. Then take a glass stand and ensure that 2 pans 2 pan stand not to be attached. Then place a glass container with water. Then place this hook. Okay, now on the machine. Okay, you have to ensure that it should be liquid density. Then whenever you start or on the machine, you have to set the density. What you have to do, press set button, SSD again, press enter. Press set button up to 6. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press enter. Okay. Press cal to back to the screen. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to press enter. Now we can take reading weight in water, weight in air. Sorry. You have to keep like this. This is this reading which is weight in air. What you have to do, press enter again. Okay, then gently remove this hook. Like this you have to hook it, this standard reference. Again gently place this hook into water and ensure that this standard reference should be covered by water. Okay, then press no. What you have to do, you will you can see the reading on this tips on display. After press enter. This is density of liquid 0.999. Then back to the main screen, press cal button.